Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to take off a GMC Sierra door panel. First, gather your tools: a panel removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead. Next, roll down the window completely. This provides better access and prevents damage. Finally, for safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work on the electrical components. This simple step protects you and your vehicle. Now, let's remove the fasteners. You'll find two Phillips head screws inside the door pull handle. Remove those first. Next, carefully pry off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. This will reveal another hidden screw that needs to be removed. Finally, use your panel removal tool to gently release the plastic clips securing the door panel around its perimeter, working your way around the edge. With the screws and clips removed, it's time to detach the panel. Gently lift the entire door panel straight up from its bottom edge. This action disengages it from the window channel at the top. Once lifted, carefully pull the panel away from the door frame. Remember, it won't come completely free yet, as there are still electrical connectors and cables attached behind it. Proceed slowly and with care. The final step involves disconnecting the remaining components. First, carefully unclip all electrical connectors, such as those for the window switch and door lock. Next, detach the door handle cable. This usually involves rotating a plastic housing and unhooking the metal rod. Once all connections are free, you can fully remove the door panel. Place it somewhere safe, like on a soft cloth, to avoid any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.